channel. Guys, I'm coming at you first thing on the morning here, so I do apologise for this. Now, what am I doing today? Today, I don't know what this video is going to be, but I had a disaster in this house yesterday. Guys, you'll have seen, I'll upload my kitchen painting before this, so you'll have probably seen that. Now, I painted the kitchen, guys. I had the colour was lovely. I thought, this is it, we're getting somewhere. What did I do? I went to move the fridge because I did measure the gap. You know, when I said I want to move the fridge in another gap, I measured the gap, and when I measured it, it said to me that it was going to fit in the gap. It wasn't. So what happened was, not only did it not fit in the gap, every time I moved the fridge, because it's such a big fridge, it decided to rip my floor in 3 different places. I was fuming. I was fuming. I think I even said a couple of swear words, and I just thought, one step forward, 2 steps back. I couldn't believe, and I'm not talking like a little rip that you can just flatten down. I'm talking, it gashed the floor in 3 places, and I was that mad. I thought, right, we're pulling it up. So I just started pulling the lino up. Now, I was going to replace the flooring in this house, but I said on a previous vlog, when we've been here about a year, I'm going to start replacing the floors, because obviously I'm busy putting money into painting and wallpapering and things like that. So I was going to leave it a year. So I was absolutely gutted that this floor had to come up yesterday. Guys, when I show you it, it's a mess. It's literally a mess. Like, my oldest son walked in yesterday and he said, "Mum, it's like a school dinner hall flooring." I said, I know, but we're going to have to live with it until we get the money to get some lino in, because obviously I have to buy the lino and then pay somebody to fit the lino, because I can't fit lino and it's such a big kitchen, you know. If it's a small space like a toilet, I'll buy the flooring and I'll just attempt it myself, I'm not bothered. But because this kitchen is big, I know it needs to be done properly. Let me show you. Gutted. Look at this. So that's the lino that's still stuck around the edges. I can't get that off. I don't know how you get that off. And that's what we're left with. This. Can you feel me pain? Please, I just want this house to be nice. But I put my no, they're not new lampshades. I switched them out for my living room ones, because I think these ones are more kitcheny. But you'll have seen that on the paint my kitchen video. I'm all the guys. So anyway, what I'm doing today is, it's a Sunday today, and I'm actually celebrating my son's birthday, his 18th, because he's at college tomorrow on his actual birthday, so we can't celebrate then. So what we're going to do today is, he's going karting this morning. He's doing that, you know, where they go in the racing car things. I don't know what, the karting, it's called karting. He's going there with his stepdad, obviously my husband, and his sister. So the 3 of them are going to do a 2-hour session of karting this morning for his birthday. And then he's going to come home. I'm going to set his little birthday section up for him. He's going to open his presents. And then we are going to, obviously he'll have his cake, and he wants to order a Chinese tonight for his birthday, because we very rarely get takeaways, you know, because they're just such a waste of money. We just don't do it. So for like birthdays and things, if the kids want to order like a pizza or a Chinese, the older ones, we normally do that. So he's picked a Chinese, so we're going to have Chinese tonight, some nice birthday cake, so I'm going to show you that. And so this morning I'm just with the 2 younger boys, and I've got all this kitchen to clean, and it is a bomb. I daren't even show you, it's that bad. So I've got all that to clean, spend some nice time with the boys this morning, and wait for them to get back from karting, and then the birthday celebrations can commence. So stick around, guys, stay tuned, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Guys, these little cake stands here are absolutely brilliant. They're just made of cardboard, and I just get them out on different birthdays and just use them again and again and again. Absolutely brilliant. And they look gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Please like and subscribe if you already haven't, and I will see you lovely lot in the next one. Bye.